Hey everybody, how's it going? My name's Zeke, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about hi-hat steppings. But before I did that, I wanted to say a thank you to all the donors from our fundraiser. Last month was my birthday, and I wanted to do something for all my students for it. So what I decided to do was start a fundraiser over Facebook and PayPal. All the money was going to be dispersed between my students so that they could upgrade their equipment, buy new cymbals, get new drum heads, whatever they needed. We ended up raising $920 in that fundraiser over about 2 weeks. So it was awesome, and we did way better than I ever thought we could do. All my students were more than stoked about it. They've already been out upgrading their equipment. I've seen students get new cymbals. One of my students got a new drum kit. It's been amazing. You know what I mean? So again, thank you to all the donors that donated. I really appreciate you guys, and it meant the world to me. All right, let's talk about hi-hat steppings. Now, what that is that's when you're using your left foot to make noise while you're playing the drums. Most people don't even use their left foot really when they play. At most, what they'll do is they'll open their hi-hat for a hi-hat opening, but their left leg in a way kind of turns into an anchor, and you end up being a three-limb drummer because you're only using both your arms and your bass drum foot. Now, as far as technique goes, there's a lot of different ways that you can do this, but my technique is a variation of using my leg weight and using somewhat of the same form that I use on my bass drum, okay? It's really important that when you do these steppings, you're getting a really crisp Chex sound out of the step. You want it to be sharp. What that comes from is getting right in the sweet spot of that hi-hat stand pedal, all right? And coming down even and perfectly on it to get a good, nice sound. You don't want to be hitting it too soft like this. That's not what you want. And you don't want to be hitting it like tapping it, because that'll make a whole different sound, kind of like this. You're kind of using the weight of your leg to come down and get that really crisp sound. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of each of these hi-hat stepping variations, okay? Sometimes it helps people to hear these, so I want to give you a sound so you know what you're looking for when you take these as a kit and practice them yourself. So let's go. Remember, these 5 variations are just the start, all right? Hi-hat steppings can be whatever you want them. You can put them anywhere in the grid. They can be as wild and crazy and difficult as you want, or as basic and simple and easy as you want to make them, all right? It's completely up to you. But if you're getting started and you can't figure out how to get going, these are the 5 variations that I would start putting in your favorite grooves to give you a feel for how these hi-hat steppings are supposed to go. And that's all I got for today, guys. Thank you so much again to all my donors from last month. You guys are amazing, and thank you to everybody who made it this far in the video with me. You guys are just as great. Leave a like, comment, or subscribe to my channel for more things drums, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Keep practicing, everybody.